Hello everyone, welcome to Trends and Supports. So last Friday we got a gap up open, and you can see the movement of Nifty and live market. I mentioned the resistance is around 26,068, 58 to 6065 or 78 range. And now the main resistance will come here. This is the crossline breakout resistance. So if we this is the falling channel, now creating lower highs. So now we are at a resistance point. So this is almost the shortest will active here, this range, because this formation. So this is the lower high and the second lower high. This is the second lower high. So most probably this shortest will active this range. So if they create any shorts, then Monday may be mostly a gap down open, or it can come down towards the nearest supports. So let's check for the next moment or next levels for Nifty. So the breakout will come now. The current breakout will come around here, that is around 26075 above, maybe 26080 above. We will get a breakout of for upside. If there is a negative downtrend, then this will act as the first support, that is around 26015 range, 15 or 10 range. And this also not hold, then the next support will come here around 25980 range, and 980 range. Then the next support will come here around 25940 range. So this will mostly act as a support for this intraday basis. We have a 2-hour trend line support also having this one. So mostly I am expecting a bounce back from here. Otherwise, if the shorters are active very strongly, then we can see a more downside movement, and this can leads towards here, that's around 25,899 or around 25,900 range. And the next support is around 25,850 range. So these are the levels here. Otherwise, if we bounce back from this side, then the breakout will happens here, that is around 26. If any downside movement and bounce back, then the resistance or breakout will happens in 26,060 to 64 range. So this breakout, then we can expect a target for upside is around here 26 150 to 155 range. This will mostly act as a very strong resistance, because show you in here, because this was the previous rising channel. So we got a breakdown on this, you see this. So we got a breakdown on this, so that's why this will act as a very strong resistance. So this line is coming around here, that is 26 153 range, 53 to 55 range. So the upper side resistance is coming now, is 26 150 55 range. If we cross this one, then we can see a more upside movement towards ATH. Otherwise, the shorters will active from here. So these are the levels for intraday basis, and now we can go to check Bank Nifty. So these are the levels for Bank Nifty. Last day also mentioned these levels, and it's respecting, and now 59 200 to 220 range acting as a support. If we fell below this one, then we can see a little more big fall of this Bank Nifty. Otherwise, it can hold, and we can see a bounce back from here. So now the resistance we can check. Another support is there is a small support here, that is all intraday basis, 59 300 range, and this is all weak support, that resistance like 59 430 range. But here you can see this W pattern model loads like that. There's a cross line breakout will come around 59 480 range, 480 490 range. If we cross this one 59 490, then most probably we can see an upside moment, and this can leads towards our target little more higher side. This can be 59 710 to 720 range, so we can see a movement towards this way. Otherwise, if we are moving downside, this is the crucial point for bank nifty, that is 59 200 to 220 range. If we close below this one, then the previous trend will continue, that it can move downside around 58 940 to 950 range, and the lower side is already here, 58 810 820 range. So these are the levels for bank nifty, and this crucial range is here, that is around 59 480 to 490 range. So hope you get a good idea about the both index levels for intraday basis, and you can trade as per these levels. Once you get a breakout on the resistance, you can take a call options, or otherwise you can buy a put futures for upside movement, or the reversal can also do the same. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video to your friends, and if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment box. So thank you once again.